Hey, it's Marty from martyanglanta.com, and in today's video I have something really very exciting to share with you. If you're looking a way to make money with Amazon using YouTube as a traffic source, stay tuned. If you want to make money with Amazon as an Amazon affiliate and you also want to use a free traffic source like YouTube, the method that I'm going to show you is how you can do it, and it's extremely realistic. The software that I'm showing you today is a hidden gem. Not that many people actually know about it, surprisingly, but after this video I'm sure there's going to be a lot of people. You will be able to find the link in the description below my video, as well as my Facebook group for support with this software as well. But in a nutshell, I just want to show you that I started this software from the 28th of June, and as you can see, I've actually uploaded and automatically created over 1,800 videos in the past 30 days, okay, which is absolutely mental. And you can see this system is basically on autopilot. I create the campaign and then boom, it literally drags all the product from Amazon and it will start uploading it across multiple YouTube accounts. Now, before you start looking into this software and thinking, oh, I'm just going to jump in and go buy it, I want to make this video as practical as possible. So I just want to give you an idea of how this system actually works. You ideally don't want to be uploading videos to one channel, otherwise it just won't work. This whole system is based on a numbers game, okay? So let's say you created or you purchased 100 YouTube accounts, okay? So across those 100 YouTube accounts, you would upload, or the system would upload, a minimum of one video per day per channel, which means that's 100 videos per day going to YouTube across your YouTube channels. That's 700 videos a week, and that's 2,800 videos per month promoting products from Amazon across your YouTube channels. So as you can imagine, the numbers start to build up really unbelievably fast, okay? So like I was saying, 100 YouTube accounts, upload one video per day, that's 100 videos per day. Then each video will be spun into a unique video, so YouTube won't get annoyed with you or, you know, start flagging your accounts and stuff like that. So what it will do is it will take one product and it will spin it with unique content, unique information, so it looks like a completely different video. And by the way, you can add background music or voice onto it, it's completely up to you. Then each video targets a different commonly typed phrase everyday people search for. And if you don't really know that much about it, that's okay. There's actually training within the video, within the back end of this software. But each video targets a different commonly typed phrase everyday people search for. For example, if you are, let's say, promoting diabetes test kits, then people will be typing stuff like best diabetes testing kits and stuff like that. Pushing out content to people. It's a really amazing software, and I'm going to show you how it works by setting up a demo campaign for you shortly. Then after that, each video will have a link to your landing page or where you want them to go, which is obviously the Amazon product. Now in the specific Amazon campaign, you don't have the option to send them to a website, because the software automatically pulls in the your Amazon affiliate link to that product, but you can set up different campaigns if you have your own website, okay? And then obviously, you know, with the sheer amount of traffic and the sheer amount of clicks that are heading your way, you will either start generating lead sales and obviously traffic, okay? But you know, it is a numbers game, and the more videos you've uploaded, the more chance you're going to get those clicks and get those sales. And it's just a really exciting software. Okay, so now that you know how the system kind of works, let's go into the campaign settings and actually create one. So this is the back end, and if I go to new campaign, you will see that you've got all of these different sorts of campaigns, okay? and you've got Amazon RSS feed, keyword, auto dealer. There's so many different sorts of campaigns that you can utilize and just really build any sort of niche. Now, actually, I'm not 100% sure about what sort of product I'm going to promote. So let's quickly head over to Amazon and see what products are getting mass amounts of reviews and are just basically trending right now. Okay, so you can see I'm on the Amazon bestsellers list, and you can see each of these products have 17,000 reviews. Now, if a product has 17,000 reviews, usually you're actually looking at like around about a 10 to 5% of the amount of sales that a product's generated for the reviews. So this has generated a mass amount of reviews, and it's the same with this one, 179,000 reviews, which means these are really hot products that you can start promoting. And you can change the niche if you want to go into a more different niche. And yeah, you may be saying, well, these are really big reviews, so why aren't other people doing this? And other people are doing this. So the question that you might be asking is, well, can I earn an income? And well, you just don't know until you start doing it. If you're not in the game, then you're not going to earn anything anyway. So with the beauty of this software, we can create lots of different campaigns and start promoting lots of different products. Okay, so you know, the more you're in the game, the more you can do it and the more chance you've got of earning. But you know, all of these products have mass amounts of reviews, and all you need to do is pick one or pick a product type. Now let's just have a look, and do you know what, just for the sake of it, I am going to pick this Echo Dot. Okay, so I'm just going to go to a campaign and I'm going to just do tech, okay, and then type in Echo, because now all of my campaigns across my selected YouTube channels that I've already pre-created, I've actually purchased them from someone else, but I've already pre-created, I'm going to just be focusing on tech sort of products for these channels. And you can very easily group all your YouTube channels within this software. So I'm going to click on Amazon and I'm going to go to next step. Now you can see, depending on where you're based, I'm based in the UK, so I'm going to pick amazon.co.uk, but no matter where you are in the world, you know, just make sure you select the according to your country. Okay, so here, and I'm just going to type in Echo Dot and press search. Now you can search for multiple products just by adding a comma next to it and then another sort of product name. And what you're seeing here is this software is dragging all of these products relating to that search phrase, and they are getting rid of any products that don't have a rating of 4.7 and doesn't have reviews. Okay, so you can see all of these products here. These products are, quite frankly, products that are high performing products right now. Okay, and if you wanted to load more, you'll just select load more Echo Dots or load more whatever, and it will start dragging in a lot more. But for the sake of this video, this is good enough. So next I'm going to do save and go to next step. Now here is where we customize the videos a little bit, and we actually don't need to do anything apart from the duration. Okay, so what this software is doing is going to each of these Amazon products, taking all the reviews and dragging it and spinning it and making it look like a full-blown testimonial video all about this specific product. How amazing is that? So here you can see this, so slides per video is only going to be 15 to 20 slides per video, and duration per slide 7 to 10 seconds, and then the video duration is going to be 2 to 4 minutes. And you can see if I actually drag this further, the timings will start changing, and you can see the timing starts changing there. But I'm just going to leave it at 7 to 10 seconds. Next, you can say, do you want the text to be animated when it appears on the screen? And yes, I do, because it just adds a little something to it. Where it says audio, you can change voiceover with background music, voiceover, or just background music only. I personally like background music only because it forces people to concentrate a little bit more when they're reading, and it also encourages them to stay on the video longer, which means YouTube's algorithm will push your videos because people are actually staying on your videos longer, and that's a big contributing factor towards YouTube rankings. Okay, so click in the link description for more reviews. So the outro text is going to be you can purchase this product in the link below. Okay, and next you can change the outro background, so I'm going to just make it a black background with white text. Okay, nice and simple. Save and go to next step. Okay, next you've really got to decide, you know, which YouTube channels you want this to be uploaded in. And you can see I've got a whole bunch of different YouTube channels here. I've actually got about 150 odd YouTube channels on my thing, but I'm just going to go with, let's just call it software reviews, and then you would go to upload interval, and this is basically how long between each upload you want the software to wait. So I'm just going to say you should leave it at the default, but 5 minutes I'm going to say. And then this is my Amazon associate tag because it's very easy to connect your Amazon account. And then for all the tags, this is basically all the YouTube tags that you want the software to auto populate into the YouTube tag section. I'm just gonna, to give you an example, you literally just type in echo dot review and stuff like that. You can have up to 30 characters per tag and accepts up to 500 characters including separators. Okay, so literally you would just populate all of the tags into this area. Then you've got a call to action, and just for the sake of it I'm just going to leave it blank, and then description before. So ideally you want to make sure you put in your URL because that's going to be your Amazon affiliate link, and then the title just to boost that ranking, and that's going to be a spun title that the software does automatically for you. Then below it, then I'm going to leave this blank, and description after I'm going to put in the summary like that. Okay, and then I'm also just going to put in the title and then the URL as well. Okay, so just like that. And of course the system will actually put in an Amazon affiliate disclosure, you know, so you stay in check and you're not doing anything illegal. Next you can add translations, so we check all of them, why not. I don't use these, so I'm not going to cover them. And then you can say how many videos per day do you want to upload from this campaign. Now I know that in this channel I have 39 YouTube accounts, so ideally I want to upload 39 videos per day, okay, just onto this group. And then you can say start immediately or schedule campaign, and you would go ahead, press save campaign, and this isn't actually active so it's not going to do it, but what you can see is all your information here. Okay, and once it starts uploading in this section here, all the videos are going to be populated. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what I mean when I say that in this area it will spin loads of different videos for you. Now this is a previous campaign that I did all about toothpaste and dental hygiene and stuff like that, and as well as a few other things. But if we go into this and scroll down, what you'll see, I'm going to have to blur out some information, but it's automatically taken the product name, and you can see it's uploaded automatically. It's relating to this campaign, it's got the Amazon link there, it's got the channel name, and then it's got the little video. So let's have a quick watch of the video. So what you can see, that what I've just shown you, these are all testimonials that people have actually left on the product itself, and it's also taken all the images from the testimonial of the product and it's sunk it all in. And yeah, how exciting is that? And it's done that for every single product. So you literally just set up your campaigns like I've just showed you, and then the software does everything else for you, which means, you know, you don't need to worry about uploading or, you know, creating loads of descriptions and stuff like that, because the software does it all for you. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you see the opportunity in this. Make sure you click the links below, because anyone who purchases the software, I will allow you to join my Facebook group. So when you join my Facebook group, just send me a message and I will send you the private link. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.